I've been involved in blockchain for 11 years, and I got booked for a lecture.
I see. So you
So
know what
yeah,
an NFT is. You just need to
I
learn how to
pretty
explain
much
it.
exactly. So I was thinking, like the visual kind of element to it would be like if
Cool.
I went around and saw your Elon kind of
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You like that one?
painting.
The
Yeah,
person who created it just they did it in clip art, and it shows the entire thing that they exactly how they built it in every single stroke of the paintbrush. So you can see it's about 40 seconds long, and every time they made a stroke onto the painting, it you can click on it actually from here and see it in your browser and then start watching it. But it's about a minute long.
yeah, just looking for a visual kind of representation, just to show them, what the metaverse looks like or what the future might hold.
In this virtual reality, a build just like we're in right now. You mean?
Yeah, exactly.
So I mean, if you almost think about this parcel as if you rented a parcel or owned a parcel, you'd have it in your wallet and you could have access to the builder, and then you could add all this stuff like I did into your parcel, and it sits inside the token. And
Right.
if you wanted to, you could basically, you don't even need the NFTs. All you would need is this piece of land, and you could kind of use this like a PowerPoint presentation inside virtual reality and use this link for everybody to just join as a guest real quick. It's just one link. And then you have these visuals for people, either short video clips. You can easily you can stream YouTube videos inside the builder just using the link to YouTube. And you can
Yeah.
upload the pictures and stuff too, so you can make it like a PowerPoint almost, or branded too.
Yeah, so how do I do that? That's what because I haven't played around in Somnium or any other metaverse. Just
Yeah, okay,
uh,
so basically I own this parcel. I bought this parcel, which is a token on the blockchain at ERC 721. I own it in my
how
wallet.
much did it cost? I'm
Oh,
curious.
these parcels cost a lot. This is an XL. I actually bought this really, really, really early, so I didn't pay very much for it. I paid less than $1,000 for it. But
Okay.
I think they're a minimum of about 6 Ethereum right now, so times 2,000, it's about 12 grand to buy an XL parcel like this right
Oh
here.
wow. Okay.
Yep, and then the rarity is basically the location to the proximity of
Yeah.
where someone
I,
spawns
I
in.
think I bought the Decentraland coin. I bought it like 4 years ago, but I haven't touched it since.
No, so okay, so similar, you'd have access to their builder, or in Somnium, you own the land and you have access to the Somnium builder. And then also,
Yeah.
if you're looking at my face right now, I just put this little screen recorder
Oh,
on.
that's cool.
So you can do this too, and you can actually show your real face if you don't like the
All
avatar.
right.
And then to make this avatar that I have right now, I just basically took a selfie on it said it when you were signing in. So basically you can sign in, take a selfie, and it makes a whole avatar like this for you, similar to how you look. Aha! Hey, there you
But just the
are!
graphics, like, couldn't they do like an Unreal Engine for God's sake?
This is,
Why
yeah,
does it
but
have to be this pixel stuff?
so for people who are basically non-VR related, even a sales meeting, I would say that if somebody rented a parcel and branded it to their company, they could have a sales meeting in here with a bunch of different people all over the world, and you could talk just like this real quick and have like a PowerPoint presentation, move from one picture to the next picture. It doesn't have to be loaded with NFTs. This is the NFT, and you're using it and you're making use of it. So you buy this type of NFT and you can buy and use it all the time for your, whatever you're doing
Yeah,
in your life.
it's really not that serious.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, we could meet in here and talk if you wanted to. If you want to use my parcel, and we just like, if you just have one date and time, I mean, you could
Yeah,
probably just like, if you sent me a few things, I could probably just upload them in place of
sure.
what's
It's
already
like
here
an
and do it on this
image,
parcel.
maybe two, three images. That's
Or
all,
yeah,
right?
a YouTube clip or something like that, a short YouTube clip, and we can just click play on it too if you want.
All right. Yeah, that would be awesome.
But I could just replace it, like with my card back there where it says Chris Bell. I could, just take that down and replace it with a square of whatever you want right there, and we could just host the meeting here and I
Sure,
don't know,
and then
record it if you want.
you would get access to, like, I don't know, what is it, like a few hundred students in a design school. So
No kidding,
if you
that'd be
wanna,
awesome.
yeah, if you wanna put something there in advance, that could also be.
That sounds cool.
All right,
All right,
awesome.
nice,
And then
nice
I'll
to meet you.
send you, and nice to meet you too, and talk soon.
Thank you.
I'll
Yep.
I'll send you also my name so you can see my profile.
All right, cool.
All right,
Thanks. Nice to meet you.
bye bye.